Our lunch for today.
These are patties, no chicken patties.
Yeah, yummy chicken patties.
With bendi bhaji.
Leftover bendi bhaji.
Yes.
We don't believe in wasting food. People don't get food to eat. The patties take a long time to fry. If you fry them fast, they get burnt.
Yes. Yeah. See. Now it is still raw to fry it thoroughly. But on low gas.
So the patties are frying and we are watching the frying. Let us give you a look at the scenery from our backyard. See how beautiful it is. This is our backyard. Beautiful scenery all around us. And lunch is getting ready.
Hey, it's raining outside.
And it has started raining.
Yeah, drizzling.
Since the past 2 days, 2 nights, it has been raining very badly in Goa.
Yeah.
Heavy rains over here
Yeah.
since the past 2 nights. It's
Plants are
like,
looking nice, but yeah, plants are looking nice.
yeah,
They're washed.
it's like the monsoon season of June in Goa, and we are in December here. So back to the frying pan now. Have the chicken patties become? See, they take such a long time to become. Really a long time. You need to have a lot of patience to make these patties.
Yes.
There's a lesson over here. To get the good things in life, you need to be patient. So, how patient are you?
I think it is done.
Still looking white.
It will get burnt otherwise. See, it will move. It will blow up.
Takes a lot of trouble to put the patties. So now we are going to have this with bhendi bhaji. Whilst I put the bhendi bhaji on the fire, let's take out the patties first. I'm going to heat the bhendi bhaji. You can look at the view from our backyard.
And the sky is bright, but it is still raining. I don't know why. The trees look so pretty up above. Far distance there is a house and the chimney is smoking. This is a coconut tree.
So now the bhendi bhaji is getting hot. Leftover bhendi bhajis of yesterday. We don't like to waste money. How much did we pay for these bhendis? He said 60 rupees a kilo, I think, right? Or 80 rupees.
80.
80 rupees a kilo for bhendis, ladies' fingers. And 80 rupees a kilo for tomatoes. Ridiculous. It's like we are eating non-veg.
Yes.
So we brought half kilo bhendi bhaji, bhendis. And we are going to have this bhendis bhaji, which is mixed with potatoes, roasted potatoes and bhendi bhaji.
This is a roast bhaji without tomatoes and any onion or anything. It's just bhendis and potatoes with some masala. That's it.
So why don't you put the pav in the plate over here so that they can see how Goan pav also looks like. And then serve the bhendi bhaji in the plate and we shall end this video.
Yes.
Let's take another look at the beautiful scenery in our backyard. How beautiful it looks. Such a pleasant day here in Goa. Really beautiful. The birds are chirping. The rain seems to have gone. So we shall go and see how the plate looks like. This is the food being served. This is how the plate looks like. This is poi, which is Goan pav. Poi, Goan pav, chicken patties or chicken cutlets and roasted bhendi bhaji. That's my plate. And madam, this is your plate. Would you like to talk about it?
Yes, this is my plate. I don't like poi. I like pav.
So pav and one cutlet for you? No. We are going to split these cutlets. There are 3 cutlets here. So we are going to split them 1.5, 1.5. And pav and roasted bhendi bhaji and 1.5 cutlet for my wife.
And cold drink.
And cold drink, yes. We are going to have a nice cold drink. Cola and pav and chicken cutlets and roasted bhendi bhaji. Now doesn't that look like a wonderful yummy lunch? What say?
Yes.